geography, the name of the capital is Kingdom, Kings and an Early Republic. If we talk about the introduction start as an election day. In the lesson, there is a boy whose name is Sankaran, and when he woke up one morning, he saw that his grandparents were very excited and very well dressed. He was surprised to see why they were getting ready in early morning. Then he asked his grandpa why he was ready so early in the morning. Then his grandpa told him that today is the election day. Election is the process in which we choose our representatives or our leaders. Now, come to know how do some men become rulers. Yeah, how do some people become rulers? Students, as you know very well, today in a democratic country, people or leaders are chosen by votes. It means that the people who are 18 or above who have right to choose their representatives. But how did rulers or kings were chosen in the past? अर्थात पास्ट में राजा या जो शासक थे वो कैसे चुने जाते थे? तो we know that in the past kings chosen by their citizens or by their janaj. Janaj means the people. Now the question is that if we talk about the people before 3000 years ago, kings were recognized after performing sacrifices. It means before 3000 years ago, the people who performed big sacrifices who were considered or recognized as a king. Sacrifices means when someone offering something in the fire altars as his worship or his prayer, that is called sacrifice. It means in Hindi हवन या यज्ञ करना. जब हम कोई सामग्री अग्नि में डालते हैं ईश्वर को प्रसन्न करने के लिए पूजा के स्वरूप में, तो इसको हम लोग इंग्लिश में सेक्रीफाइस बोलते हैं और हिंदी में हवन या यज्ञ बोलते हैं. सो दिस वाज द प्रोसेस of choosing the king. But there was another way to choose the king. That was Ashwamedh. Ashwamedh was a process of sacrifice in which a horse let loose to wander freely. It means the king organized a sacrifice, and in his sacrifice he set free a horse to wander freely all around, and the horse was guarded by king's men or king's soldiers. If the horse was stopped by a king or a ruler of a kingdom, it means that the king who stopped the horse was agreed to battle with the kings who organized sacrifices. Or if the king allowed to pass the horse in their territory, it means that the king accepted the authority of the king who performed sacrifices. It is clear in Hindi that अश्वमेधा जो था एक प्रकार का यज्ञ था जिसमें हॉर्स की पूजा करके उसको चारों दिशाओं में आज़ादी पूर्वक घूमने के लिए छोड़ दिया जाता था, और उसकी निगरानी उस राजा के जो सैनिक होते थे वो करते थे. अगर कोई पड़ोसी राज्य का राजा उस घोड़े को रोक लेता था, इसका मतलब वो उस राजा से युद्ध करना चाहता था. एंड अगर कोई किंगडम का राजा उस घोड़े को अपने किंगडम से इंडिपेंडेंटली पास होने देता था, इसका मतलब वो राजा उस राजा की सत्ता को स्वीकार कर लेता था. एंड आफ्टर ऑल दैट द किंग्स organized a great sacrifice in which he invited all the kings who accepted his supremacy. Then the sacrifice was performed by the trained priest who performed everything according to the proper way. And after performing the sacrifices, the priests were gifted by the king. And in this sacrifice, the rulers or the kings who came from different kingdoms, who came with different types of gifts, in the sacrifices, the charioteer of the king, who was the companion of the king in the battlefield, who explained the valiant act of his king in the battlefield. It means that how did the king fight in the battle against his enemies? The charioteer explained all his deeds and glory in front of the people. The charioteer means Sarthi in Hindi. Now, next, in the sacrifice, the king's family also invited, also joined, and the relatives of the king also joined the sacrifice. In the sacrifice, the king was the attraction of center. He sat on the tiger's skin on the throne in a very proud manner. And after that, in the sacrifice, the other people who joined as a citizen, who were the Vis or Vaisyas. Vaisyas means the people who were the citizen, or who were the merchants, or the people who exchanged goods among the people, who also joined the sacrifice and came with different types of gifts according to their status. And in the sacrifice, the people who were not allowed to come, who were the Sudraj, who were excluded because of the priest. The priest thought that Sudraj had no right to come in such big events like sacrifices. So these were the process in which the kings or the rulers were chosen before 3000 years ago. Students, now it is enough for today. I hope you have enjoyed a lot. If you have any doubt or any confusions, you can ask or comment on my WhatsApp number. So till stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.